This is my right hand with an overlay from last year. The time has definitely come to change it, but since I will be working with my non-dominant hand, the options are limited, so I will show you an easy way to create nail art that you can do even with your non-dominant hand. We're also going to review a Yayoge Polygel kit coming up. Hello guys, Anastasia here. Let's do unpacking of Yayoge Polygel kit. We have 7 colors of polygel. Each tube is 15 milliliters. Once you open it up, there is a second floor with so many goodies. Sun Mini LED lamp, a pack of dual forms, polygel nail liquid, a kit of rhinestones. Wow, there's a lot inside. They also have cuticle nippers and pusher. Few things to take care of your cuticles: oil, cream and protection latex, base coat, top coat and nail glue, and also some glitter. Golden, blue and pink, wow, this one's pretty. Hollow chrome powder. They also have brush, which has metallic spatula on one side and an actual brush on the other. Let's get started. I'm pouring some liquid and I would like to see the colors. Let's start with the clear. The consistency is rather thick, which in my opinion is great if you are going to work with the dual forms, which means the product will stay exactly where you want it to be. It's not going to flood the cuticles too much. This brush is ideal in my opinion to work with this product, and I do not recommend using softer brush because you will need to press really hard. Next color is pink, which is a cute light baby pink color. Next one is nude pink. This is something in between of peach and pink natural color. Then we have tender pink. Ooh, this one is really intense, like a really bright pink, but it is also a little bit see-through. I think I'm going to use this one today. Then we have coral pink, which is also slightly transparent, but I really like the shade itself. Cover pink is definitely the most intense color and the darkest shade, so if you are looking for great coverage, you definitely need to pick this one. And the last but not least is a bright white color. The consistency of each color is similar, so if you're looking for a thick consistency polygel, you should definitely take a look at this one. By the way, if you would like to win the same kit, make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's get started. This is my hand. It's been more than 2 months. Honestly, I've been postponing this day for a long time because I really wanted to do something new on my right hand. I wanted some nail art, but you probably know when you're working with your non-dominant hand, it just takes forever. So I really didn't want to go through this. But today we are going to use dual forms, which will make it so much easier. I'm starting with filing off the length using ceramic bead, and by the way, this part is so satisfying, guys, right? It's satisfying not only to watch but also to do that, I swear. The speed is 25,000 rotations per minute. Once I'm done with the length, I'm going to file off the product using the same bit, but I lowered the speed a little bit. Now it's about 22,000 rotations per minute. Even though you're not supposed to have an overlay for 2 months or more, I still want to show you that my nails are in pretty good condition. So it really depends on how you do overlay and most importantly how you take the product off. Because some clients are scared of the e-file. They are saying that, oh my god, taking off the product with electric nail file will definitely damage the nails, which I believe is not true because it really depends on how you do it. You can already see my nail that it's pretty healthy, it's not damaged. So every time you take off the product with the e-file, all you need to do is to not touch the natural nail plate, especially with ceramic bead. Wow, it's been so long, I even forgot how my naked natural nails look like. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you have this similar feeling when you take them off. It's time to figure out which size will match with the dual form, and then I cut the shape of the cuticle with the scissors because most of the time it doesn't match except for the thumbnail. Now it perfectly fits, and I'm going to do the same for the rest of the nails. I will be using tender pink and white, base coat for the prep and top coat to seal the design. First, I apply dehydrator and non-acid primer. Apply a thin layer of base coat without touching the surrounding skin. Cure in LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then we are going to do the design. I will apply some tender pink and some white. And with the tip of an orange wood stick, I will slightly mix them together, but not too much. It is very important, otherwise you will have the color in between, and we don't want that. And then I will add some glitter. I think it is going to perfectly match with these colors, since it has some pink shade in it. I'm going to use the metallic spatula side of the brush first, pick it up and apply it on the other side of the dual form with the brush, and do not forget to pour it into polygel liquid from time to time. I'm going to do the application. I decided to do an oval shape this time. I intentionally didn't mix the glitter too much because I want some glitter to be on top and some glitter to be in the middle. Since the tender pink color is a bit transparent, I think some parts will be see-through and it's gonna look great. Hold the dual form with the product straight and carefully attach it to the nail. Make sure it matches with the sidewalls. If some excess product is squeezing out, simply clean it with a brush before curing. Then turn the hand around and carefully clean the product underneath. Then I will freeze cure it for about 10 seconds and pinch the nail. This step is optional, you can simply skip it, but I prefer when my nails have a deeper C-curve and more narrow. Take the dual form off and wow, we have a beautiful design and the nail almost ready to go. I'm going to do pretty much the same on the rest of the nails, and the pattern, the marble, will always turn out differently. Honestly, I apply a little bit more product than I should intentionally because for me it is easier to slightly clean the excess product compared to when you do not have enough product and you will have a missing sidewalls. I freeze cure the product for 10 seconds before pinching, and after I pinch the nail, I cure it for remaining 1 minute. By the way, Yayoge Polygel is so easy to pinch. I can already see the final look. After curing for 1 minute, I'm going to take off the sticky layer underneath because that's the only place where we have it, and all I need to do is to slightly file the cuticle area. On one nail the product squeezed out a little bit and I didn't notice it, so I didn't clean it, but that's okay because it's super easy to clean it with a carbide bit, and I'm also going to use the same bit to file the product around. Most of the time with a dual form, that's the only area where you really need to file. Sometimes you also need to file underneath if you didn't clean it very well with the brush. I was also pinching the nails, that's why I need to slightly fix that, because once you pinch the product may move underneath. With 180 side of the file that also comes in a kit, I'm going to shape the nails. The great thing about working with a dual form is that the surface on top is already perfect, so all you need to file is just the sidewalls and the shape itself. The reason I love this technique for doing my right hand is because I basically did all the application with my right dominant hand, and I only need to use my left hand when filing and shaping and attaching the dual form onto the nail. Last step will be buffing the surface. I prefer to do that to have a super smooth surface, especially near the cuticle area, but this is also optional. You can skip it if you're already happy with the surface of the nails. I can already tell that the set will look so beautiful once we seal it with the top coat. And are you ready for the last and the best step of the application? Sealing with the top coat. Apply a thin layer of the top coat and cure it for 30 seconds in LED. We have so many cuticle care products in this kit, so I decided to condition my cuticles with the cuticle oil right away, and we're done. Let me know what do you think about this nail art. Yayoge also prepared a giveaway for you guys. I will leave the links to the products that I used in this video in the description box. If you would like to win this kit, all you need to do is to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below of which design would you like to try with this kit. I will announce a lucky winner within 1 week. All information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!